Hello everyone. In the last class, I taught you about some of the problems on Thales theorem. So today we'll solve some more problems. So I think it is the fifth question from the exercise. In triangle PQR, DE is parallel to OQ. DF is parallel to OR, show that EF is parallel to QR. They have given a figure. So looking at the figure, you can make out. The figure is, in triangle PQR, there is triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, so this is a point O. DE is parallel to OQ. This is parallel to this. And they have named it as DE. And DF is parallel to OR. And they have asked to prove that EF is parallel to QR. To prove EF parallel to QR. See, they have given ED is parallel to Q. Immediately what you have to do? You have to take a triangle where these two lines occur. Which is that triangle? I can take triangle PQO. So you can start solution like this. In triangle PQO, here, ED is parallel to QO. Therefore, using Thales theorem, use Thales theorem. What is the Thales theorem? PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Using, call it as one, using Thales theorem. Or it is also called as basic proportionality theorem. Which is another triangle which is parallel? See, DF is parallel to OR. So, which triangle have to take? Have to triangle POR. So, in triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Therefore, what do you have to write down? PF by FR. PF by FR is equal to, right, PD by DO. PD by DO. Now, call it as 2 by the same theorem, using basic proportional theorem. So, comparing 1 and 2, PD by DO, PD by DO. So, what do you get? Comparing 1 and 2, PE by EQ, you get PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Where is it? PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So now what you have to do? You have to use converse. If they are proportional, the lines are parallel. By the converse of basic proportional theorem, EF is parallel to QR. I hope you understood. So, whenever this is parallel to this, take the whole triangle, this is parallel to this, then use Thales theorem. Then you got comparing 1 and 2, you got PE by EQ is equal to PR by FR. Now you use converse of the Thales theorem. There you get the answer. Now, sixth question. Sixth question, they have given the figure. PQR is a triangle. So, PQR is a triangle. Now, A, B and C are the points on OP, OQ and OR of a triangle OP and OP, OQ and OR respectively, so that AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. You have to show that BC is parallel to QR. So what is given? PQR is a triangle. A is a point, B is a point and C is a point on OP, OB, OP, OQ and OR such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. Now we have to show BC is parallel to QR. We have to show that BC is parallel to QR. How to proceed? Whenever we have given like this, I said in the last problem, when one line is parallel to the other, take the full triangle. Which is the triangle I can take? I can take the triangle OPQ. So I take in triangle OPQ, which is parallel to what? AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. So start from the vertex. Therefore, OA by AP, is equal to OB by BQ. OB by BQ. Call it as 1. Using what? Using BPT, basic proportional theorem, or using Thales theorem. Now, another triangle. In triangle, which is another triangle? In triangle OPR. In triangle OPR, AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Call it as 2 using Thales theorem. Now OA by AP, OA by AP. So what can you do? Comparing 1 and 2. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. So what can you say? Using converse of BPT, it is possible only BC is parallel to QR. So by converse of BPT, we can say what? OB, when OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, only when BC is parallel to QR. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. I hope you have understood. Next, 7th question. Question is, prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, which is parallel to another side, it bisects the third side. Prove that the line drawn to the midpoint of one side of a triangle. So this is the midpoint you take. E is the midpoint. If I draw one line parallel to this, BC, starting from E, I call it as F. What they say is, F bisects AC. I repeat, if I take E as the midpoint of AB and draw one line through E, I call it as F, which is parallel to BC, then F divides AC into two parts. Is it clear? So what can I do? How will I proceed? This one I have to prove. E, there is a line passing through E to F, which is parallel to BC, and E is the midpoint, right? So let me use in triangle ABC. What can I say? In triangle ABC, EF is parallel to BC. Therefore, using basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, what can I write down? AE by EB is equal to AF by FC. What is AE by EB? When this is the midpoint, AE is equal to EB. So, what is the meaning of 7 by 7? What is the meaning of 3 by 3? Is equal to 1. When they are equal, it is equal to 1. AE by EB, both are equal. So, that is equal to 1 is equal to AF by FC. So, you get AF is equal to FC. That means F is the midpoint of AC. We proved it. That is the question given. Prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle, if it is parallel to another side, bisects the third side. You understand? So, therefore, AF is equal to FC means F is a midpoint of AC. That's what we proved. And I think that each question is similar to that. So, I don't work out. Let me work out the 9th question, and 10th question is similar to the 9th question. So, 9th question is like this. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Diagonals intersect each other at O. AC is a diagonal, BD is a diagonal. Intersect each other at O. They have said, show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now, all these problems are given under Thales theorem, right? So, what can I do? I can draw one parallel line here. I call it as EF. So, if I take triangle ADC, in triangle ADC I can write down EO is parallel to CD, correct? So, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. AO OC, yes. Now, I have to get BO and DO. And I have to get AE by ED again. So, where I can get when I refer ADB, right? I will tell you again. Now, how to start? ABCD is a trapezium. Given ABCD is a trapezium. What else? Draw EF. Draw EF parallel to AB parallel to CD. Right? It is a construction. Now, I have to prove. Now, solution will be. In solution, what I take? I take triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, which is parallel to what? EO is parallel to DC. Therefore, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. Look at this statement. Call it as 1. Using what? BP or Thales theorem. Now, listen. AO by OC I got here. I have to get BO by OD. But I want AE by ED only in this side. Otherwise, I cannot compare 1 and 2. So, how can I get AE and ED? In order to get AE and ED and BO and OD, I think I can take this triangle like this. Am I right? So, what is the next one? You have to think like that. In triangle ADB, EO is parallel to AB. So, start from the vertex. Therefore, DE by AE is equal to DO by OB. Now, look at this. DE by AE. Your AE is up, here AE is down. So, let us take the reciprocal. By taking reciprocal, what do I get? AE by DE is equal to OB by OD. Or this as 2. This is by whose theorem? Again, Thales theorem. Comparing one into AE by ED, AE by ED. So what can you write down? AO by OC is equal to OD by OB. Is our work over? No. They want AO by BO. So I do the cross multiplication. AO into OB is equal to, this is OD, is equal to AO into OD is equal to BO into OC. Now I write as I want. How I want? AO by BO is equal to OC by OD. This is my answer. I said there is a construction I did in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, EO is parallel to AB. So I get DE by AE is equal to DO by OB. I got, see, the AED. So one side it AED, one side it like this. So I got both AO, OC, DO, OB, and left hand sides are equal. So likewise, I proved this, right? You can take another 2 triangles also. What I can take? I can take BDC and ABC. That also could be done. Both the ways you can do. So I hope you understood. So left hand side AE by ED. Here if you get CF by FB, in both you have to get CF by FB only. Then only it is easy to solve that problem. So 10th question is asked like nice question. Please try by yourself. So if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe it. Thank you very much.